What time is it? What time is it, Ricardo? It's 9 in the morning. Why? Wow, we keep doing that a lot of times already. We keep waking up at 9 in the morning. We wake up super early. But Ethan always wakes up at 12 or 1 p.m. What the heck is going on? He he sleeps a lot. Yeah, he does. He does sleep a lot. Yeah. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait for Ethan until he wakes up again, near at 12 or 1. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. It's 9 in the morning right now. And yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. Just wait for him. What time is it now? It's 12 p.m. Oh man. I keep waking up late. Oh man, I have to stop waking up late. And I need to start waking up early. I wonder what time does Ricardo and Andrew wake up. Hey guys, I'm awake. Oh, finally you woke up. Oh man, I woke up late again. Yeah, we knew it. Yeah. Oh man. I don't know what happened. Well, we always beat you, Ethan. We always wake up early before you. Yeah. I need to stop waking up late and I have to start waking up early. Like it's time when you guys wake up. Oh man. Well, Ethan, you could do, man? Yeah. What you could do? You could just get an alarm clock and you could wait you could wake up. You could always wake up like like near before us or right exactly the same time. Yeah, it rings and it wakes you up. Oh yeah. Why didn't I think of that before? I have to go to a store and buy one. Yeah, you should. Yeah. You know what? I need to go to a store right now and get an alarm clock. Right exactly now until before I forget. Well, looks like he left. Yeah, he went to the store. Now we just have to wait for him again. Yep. Alright guys, I brought an alarm clock. Huh, that's nice. That's a nice alarm clock, Ethan. Yeah, it is. So now, I have an alarm clock, so I don't need to forget. This one could set up the alarm. Yeah, I just hope if that works. Well, good luck with that, Ethan. Yes. Let's see what happens tomorrow if I beat you guys or not. Or wake up exactly the same time as you guys. I'm gonna put this in my room. Okay. So where should I put this? But that one's already taken. Oh well. Maybe I'll just put it right here. My alarm clock is already right there. Well, so I set this up and there. I put it to 9 in the morning. Okay. I should wake up like before or exactly when Ricardo and Andrew wake up. Let's see if that works tonight. Hopefully I sleep good tonight. Huh. It's already nighttime already. Almost forgot. I gotta put this alarm, put it away, so I could wake up early. With, so I could be able to hang out with Andrew and Ricardo. Yeah. Well, looks like I have an alarm clock now. Now I could be able to sleep. Just need to try to get comfortable. That's better. Oh. Finally, I woke up early. What time is it? Oh yeah, my alarm is already. Finally, I woke up early this time. Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me! I already stopped the alarm. Why? Why you keep? Ah! Ah! Oh, what should I do with you? Why you keep? Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. How do you stop his alarm? Andrew, Ricardo. Well, Andrew, let's just see, like, if Ethan woke up early this time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did. Guys, I have a problem. Oh, finally you woke up. Look, it's early. Oh, you just woke up the same time as us. Yeah. Look, but I have a problem. What is it? My alarm clock just keeps going on. Like it keeps ringing. Like, even though I tapped on it, and it just keeps the sound keeps going on and on and on. Well, what are you gonna do about it? I don't know. Well, just bring it and show it. Yeah. It's this one. Ah! Oh my gosh. You know what? Hey, Andrew. Yeah? Can you move for a sec? I got this. There. That should do it. What? Even though I hit it so hard, but it's still going on. Oh. That clock is very difficult. Hold on, wait, guys. I found this glasses case. Maybe this could work. This is a hard one. What? It doesn't even break. It's still going on again. Now what? Well, what are we gonna do about this stupid alarm clock? I don't know, but I'm trying to think of something. What to do? I think I know. Maybe this one could work. It stopped. I think it worked. Oh! Oh, wow. Well, that went well. You're not lucky about that. No! I can't take it anymore. Oh, I already have enough of you, and it's time to teach you a lesson. Well, goodbye, Mr. Clock. I'm sorry, but I don't need you anymore. Huh? There. My nightmare is now over. I might as well just get a new alarm clock. I wonder what alarm clock should I get for myself now. But not alarm clock like that. Oh yeah, most people use iPads and devices. I'll get that. That's what I will do.